So we're at a little festival.
Yeah.
And it's cold.
It is.
Yeah, it's pretty fun though. Not a huge lot of vendors like I remembered, but it's pretty fun. Look at, there's a live band. We're waiting. I don't know if they're gonna come out, but my dance team dances every year here, so.
It'd be fun.
Yeah, we already got stickers. That's all we got so far.
Yeah. There isn't a whole lot. So.
Well, I'm mostly here for food. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we realized it's Friday the 13th, and it's the coldest day since what? What, 1960?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
He's freezing.
It is cold.
We don't have earmuffs, hats, or scarves, so that's freaking hilarious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're dying.
What was that?
Two of the characters are so bad.
Carl's in the show.
Yeah.
It's like looking in a mirror. I cannot stand him pressing up his mouth like that.
Does he have the glasses?
Yeah, you just need glasses. It's perfect. How do you feel about the Carl is a no-nut chump slander?
I won't say it's wrong.
You have a neck. Look, right there.
No.
He looks like he wants to kill everyone. Eddie just died.
Rest in
Or should I say Carl?
Yeah. From Ecuador.
From Ecuador. Or Hugo or Suzette. Yeah. Oh my god, you are so tight. We didn't get any video at the craft fair at the mall.
Oh, yeah.
But I almost felt like I was going to pass out due to the incense people were kept spraying.
Yeah. But
Damn. This isn't from the craft fair, but Dad got me markers and I'm happy.
you got Bill.
Oh yeah, and I got a Bill plushie.
Yeah. There's also a dipper there.
But I didn't get Dipper.
No.
Bill. Bill's gonna pet the puss.
But he already has cat eyes. Yeah.
Whopper Wiener Wednesday Double D!
Yeah.
Yay! That's like one of my favorite quotes.
Yes.
Hiccup!
I love Whopper Wiener Wednesday.
He looks so happy for Whopper Wiener Wednesday.
He's ready. It's not Wednesday yet, though.
He looks so devious. He's being bad. Oh, as soon as I record, he gets off. That's a good baby. Wow. No, you stay off the counter. No.
What's he trying to do?
I don't know. He's being so sassy. No, you stay. No. Hi to Daddy. He's like, no.
He immediately said no. He
Say
looked away.
hi to him.
Hello?
Come on.
Hello?
Hiccup. Say hi to Daddy.
Hiccup.
Poke his nose.
You
Hey, see, he licked his nose after you touched it, so he likes you, I guess.
Well.
Hiccup. He did the slowpoke head turn. Oh God. Bill.
No.
There is a squirrel eating a pumpkin up there. Look at the little guy. Guys, look at my kitty. He's so tired. He's like, why are you like this, Mom? Well, because I love you and you're the best baby ever. Yes. My baby. Oh, someone being sassy. What is stop licking yourself, weirdo? Oh my God. Look how clean my room is. Oh my God. My pads are fucking... Oh, jeez. Right now, I'm playing Quiz Planet. And I'm playing against my friend Umbra. Let's see. Video games. Roblox. What year was it made? 2000 or 1886. Jeez. Oh my God. That was an obvious one. He was good at fork knife, right? Yes, please. Okay, thank God. I know my YouTubers apparently. Oh God. Which of the following does not require dice? That's Battleship, right? Because Battleship is just guessing. Please? Fuck yeah! All 3 right. Alright, how am I going to stump Umbra? Probably with geography, because I watched the 50 States and their Capital song by Animaniacs. I think I can do this. Geography. State capital. Harrisburg. See, you see, guys? I know. Where to find the ancient religious temple of... okay, I think that's Cambodia. Yes! I'm so good, guys. What did the Caribbean say is pronounced the 3rd syllable? Oh, jeez. I'm gonna say the Dominica. Oh! All 6 right. Let's go.